Hi. In the short tutorial, we will show how to drive a polygon with a global variable. With the classic polygon command, you cannot enter variables in any of the fields. The only global variable you can link is when you dimension your inscribed or circumscribed circle. Let's close this. There is, however, another way to achieve this. You want to start with adding your global variables. L for the sides, whether inscribed or circumscribed, N for the number of sides, and the calculated polygon angle 360 degree divided by N, and we take half of this. Next, we set up the base geometry with some construction lines, a line segment, and the appropriate relations. After that, we proceed to dimensioning, where L can be either the inscribed or circumscribed size, and then you add the polygon angle, or rather half the angle. We proceed to the circular pattern, where you first select the rotation point, here you make sure that display instance count is selected, and finally you select the line segment to pattern. The instance count is a bit hard to spot and likes to hide behind the line. Just drag it to the side and then you can link the global variable N. Close the sketch editor and now you can test your sketch by editing the equation values. This approach is not recommended for 3 or 4 sides because, well, Solidworks.